We meant to come. We meant to come myself for the people. I'm gonna wipe off my face so I take some picture. Yeah, bye. Where me going in this rain? Rain a tear and a fall. I don't know if I can see it. Where am I going in this rain? Where am I going in this rain? Just my luck. I'm bummed. The strawberry cream that we got, guys. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog, another video of mine. Thank you guys for tuning in, and all those goodies. It's your girl Sade. So right now I am heading out on the road, so get ready with me ish. Not a full get ready with me, but still, and let's go on the road. All right then, so go and bless upon yourself. Remember to hit that subscription and a like button, and then the bell for notification. All right guys, so like up the video please and thanks. All right, so stay tuned for the remainder of the vlog. So I'm trying to decide if I should let it down or do this up. I'm showing it let down. You have to put in your water and your mousse and use a flat hot comb that down, make more baby hair and all of them extra nits there. But let me show. What do I think? Up or down? Up or down? Let me know in the comment section. Alright, so go get ready now and then come back. Alright. Side note guys, not showing our no makeup artist. So if I say yellow, then it's a dry white. Now the lights in, just regular ceiling light, and let's spin. Let's spin to a different. See it? It's not fixing it. It's not fixing. Alright guys, this is how I'm wearing it so far. Yeah, some reason. No, I don't have on any lash. I decided not to go with any lash. I know lash would make it pump, wow. But yeah, I'm just gonna go something simple because it's just something simple. Somewhere simple we're going, So the top, Fashion Nova. It's like a Nickelodeon theme. I'm showing it better. I was just showing you the hair and the makeup, how it comes together. Still a yellow. We're still yellow, but yeah, we're still yellow, but yeah. I'll change the scene and come back. Hey everyone, so now we're at the mall, just checking out a few things and so on forth, so go ahead and stay tuned for that. Alright. court now. Even though we just reached. I'm Johnny hungry. And of course, guys, the phone started to overeat here while I was showing you my Philly cheesesteak with cheese fries and my peach lemonade that I was having. We're in Five Below. You going in the stroller? Oh, you're here where there's a comb. Sade? Maybe. I'm looking. He has.
Okay, you're definitely getting. Sade.
No, too much color up on that.
Johnny, you want these? Johnny, want these?
No, I get into the strawberry.
Yeah, he's getting one more?
Hey guys. So guys, we're heading out on the road. So I want you guys to come with me. Alright. I'm just gonna do a solo date actually and grab something to eat, or let's see what the day have to offer. So come. Oh, let me show you the fit. So this is it. It's from Fashion Nova. It's a joggers type, and I have on these Air Force brown socks. Couldn't find a white socks, so yeah, kind of blending with my foot. Yeah. So that's the look. I'm gonna see if I get a better. You guys get a better view, and this is the face. Let me know if she is given. I always do my own hair and makeup, and this is the hair. I really don't find any stylist as yet, and I normally never do get my makeup done professionally. So I always just do what I know to do, and something light. I always like something light, simple. Even with the lip gloss, just simple. So stay tuned to the remainder of the vlog, and let's see. All right. Yeah, this is how she's looking. All right. So guys, this was a Mexican restaurant that I had found. around the place, and so I decided to, give it a try. It's a girl first time ever on a solo date. Never. So yeah, and there I go, just browsing, checking out the place and so on for it. I was also on the phone with a friend, so I wouldn't see him, too much alone or by myself. But yeah, so far the place was okay. I'd rate it a 7 out of a 10 or 7.5. Yeah, and that was a fruit punch. I had virgin. Yeah, and that was good. I give it like an 8 or 9 out of 10 also. Overall, the ambience and everything was okay. I would go back with friends or so on forth. So yeah. Hey guys, it's your girl Sade coming back to you guys. Wagwan. Anyways, guys, we all dolled up and we're heading out. Heading out. I'll show you the fit in a few. But go ahead and stay tuned to the remainder of the vlog, alright? Thanks for rocking with me. Bye.
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not.
Guys, it's a rain cats and dog. That's where I'm going. Cats and dog. When it's not rain, I'm not gonna wear. Much less when it's a rain. And it's cold out in April. In April here. Showers of blessing and your girls' bday. Yeah, showers of blessing. Guys, it's been raining like since yesterday, I think. This was a Tuesday, Monday night. But it rained yesterday whole day and it's a rain today now. You can see behind me. But the girl's trying to get content for you guys, alright? So stay tuned for that. Get into this makeup. I made with people, made with lip and everything. You know, we always try go neutral. One of the lash them are cock. You can't see because, you know, another extreme, the volume, you know, the extraness on them. And yeah, how me go on. And you know, she applied her hair as well. Yes, how we go. We try to make some them, yeah. But guys, I'm gonna give you an outfit of the day. Give me a second. Yeah, outfit of the day. So yeah, how is the look giving? I have to wear, this is what do I call it? Thermal, because outside is mad cold in the first week of April here. So I'm a thermal because this top here light is like a blouse lights. She is a sheen. Yeah, sheen, we get it off her, actually. Yeah. Everything will be in the description if you guys want, where I got my hair, wig, and everything. And all I have on, guys, because it's raining, so I didn't do much. Just my luck. It's a pour out there, guys, and the place closed. The restaurant is closed that I was planning on going to. So if I wanna get another vlog like this, more likely outfit change because this was appeasing to the weather. I'm not gonna go all out for the makeup, so yeah. So stay tuned. Bye. I'm bummed. So now I gotta think what I'm gonna eat. Probably order some Chinese or something. I'm trying to decide where else to go, but it's not much options here. It's not much options like where you like to eat. So I'm gonna order myself something to eat. Either Chinese or oxtail dinner from a Jamaican restaurant, from Uber Eats or one of them places there. No, they don't have Jamaican restaurant near we neither. We're up in the Dominicans and this Espanoles, whatever place. I'm here around below. Yeah. You see, that's that one here? The one depends, see it? The one you apply, alright, and the one you just, yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to guys. Big jump, another day, couple days after. So come we're on the road again. Alright? So stay tuned. Guys, we just got deep fried Oreos. Some deep fried Oreos. Yum yum. Solo cogió dos snapos, ¿verdad? Y dos slices. See there in the stroller bottom. Some ice cream, guys. Ice cream. Hi. Guys, we're still in here waiting. You can see. What they have, those are the popsicles. strawberry cream that we got, guys. So guys, this is how it's looking. About biting a piece of one. I don't know if you can see the Oreo. It's fried out coating. That's the coating, and then with powdered sugar. It's kind of like the heat. That's how it looks. And the heat pan it where after it fry and powder sugar and more. I did a stroll and take me look at time before me coming back with it. But yeah, deep fried Oreos. Yum yum. It's actually my first time trying it. I always see, but I always say I was going to try it, so I finally did. And I think maybe if I warm it, I'm probably make a warm it. Yeah, but it eat good. I eat probably like about, or I can eat cold too, so it really no matter. I probably give it probably about a 7 or a 6.5 out of 10. It eat good. The dough kind of have like a dumpling donut taste. A donut, yeah. The dough is like a donut sweet taste. And then you have the sweet Oreo inside it. So yeah, the 7. I give it a solid 7 or yeah, that good. It eat alright. If it heat up or when it just done, I'm eating them time I probably should give it a more 7.5. So but yeah, these are how they are looking. Yeah. Alright guys, this is where I'm going to close out the vlog for today. This vlog for today. So go ahead and remember, please remember to go ahead and like, share, subscribe, but most importantly, like up the video and subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. All right, so this is where I'm going to close out this week's vlog. All right, thanks for tuning in. Bye.